So, I was going for a drive the other day and noticed something that could potentially kill someone in the wrong circumstances. Thankfully, I know a pretty quick fix for these kind of things, and that is replacing the light bulbs in your car. It's a very important thing to do, even if, like me, you have to take the bumper off to do it. I mean, hey, it can't be that difficult. You just gotta undo this, and then clip this up, and then take it out, and then you gotta do that like a few more times, and then you gotta do the ones underneath, and then there's some screws as well you gotta take out. But then you're there. Then you're finished. The part where you have to take the bumper off, because you still need to replace the light. But again, because it is a Honda, that's easy. You just got to take out some bolts, and then that one, and that one as well. But then you will finally have access to the light bulb. I don't know, would it be a bulb? Light cluster, that's it. You also gain access to the air intake for the engine, which I've had some interesting thoughts on. The Jazz has a air intake which kind of just shoves air to the back of the light, and then it goes into this intake, and then that goes into the engine. So if you made that hole bigger, you could go like so much faster. I hadn't checked this light before, but I noticed that there were some strange connectors. Now, I don't know much about lights in cars, but I imagine that if a connection is dodgy, the lights are gonna die quicker. This time, immediately, the bulb just died immediately. Shit. So, shut the bonnet because it was starting to rain, and then went down to my local Halfords to pick up a new light bulb, and then died. Nah, just kidding. That's the noise the Honda Jazz makes when the door is open and the lights are on. Anyway, decided to switch the light bulbs so that the one that was in the other side is now here. And would you look at that? It works. And that one doesn't. So it would turn out that a previous version of me in another life wired this car back up when I guess the wires got cut somehow, or maybe they replaced the light because it was in a horrible accident, possibly involving a tree and a squirrel feeder, but we will never know. But another quick PSA, never wire a car with those connections. They're very annoying for anyone trying to replace anything, and they clearly don't work very well, so please just don't be dumb.
Now all I've got to do is put the light back in. Use the light to see where you're going. Turn it to the right place, and there you have it. Light's fixed. You're good now.
Anyway, after you've fixed the lights, you've got to put the bumper back on, because it was really fun to take off the first time. And obviously we've got to put the lights in the right place and bolt them in as well, and then fuck. I'm sure that won't be a problem. So yeah, just put the bumper back on pretty much. It is a pain in the ass, but you get to hit it, and I'm fairly sure that's standard practice. Just slap the cheek, I don't know, side of the car. It is a technique known as applied frustration, and also just kind of violence, which does not mesh well with these things, despite being able to make the like most chill job really annoying. I aced these ones though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure it will be fine. Let me just... See? Easy as pie. And now, with the bonnet shut, come on. Now, with the bonnet shut, all I gotta do is fix the exhaust pipe. And, of course, feed this
bird seeds. Whoops.
got some funky paste. It's gonna stick. I know I didn't clean the exhaust pipe, which was really dumb. I should have cleaned the exhaust pipe and then put the putty on it, because like because there's grass. But no matter, it still works. It still does the job. It turns into this really hard, like, plasticky stuff, which is very heat resistant. So it's fixed. Yeah, it's good enough. And here we are. The Jazz passed its test on the 15th of December 2024 and shall be on the roads for many years to come, hopefully. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one.